What's going on, y'all? We doing oxtails with beef neck bones. And oh my goodness, these were so tasty. Came out so good. Gotta try them, y'all. Gotta try them. But anyway, y'all, let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. Look at them oxtails, y'all. Don't they look good, y'all? Love me some oxtails. So first thing we gonna do, we gonna go ahead and rain on these. Hit them with that Tony Chachery, y'all. That Tony Chachery. Now you can use any Cajun seasoning that you like. For me, I'm using that Tony Chachery. So we gonna set up our machine. So we gonna set this to saute, y'all. Go ahead and hit that start button. We're gonna add us about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Oh my bad, olive oil. And then we're gonna get our oxtails in. And of course you wanna move those around. Getting some of that oil as you go. And all we doing here, we gonna stir these bad boys out. Stir them up. Now, I missed the footage where I did my onions, bell peppers, and celery. I sauteed those first and got them out that pan. And now I got my oxtails in it. Now we're just browning these oxtails. Now, you can do your onions, bell peppers, and celery after. You know, you can take the meat out and then saute up your onions, bell peppers, or whatever it is that you decide to use. For me, I think it's a little bit better if you go ahead and saute up them onions and bell peppers first. But anyway, once we get a nice brown sear on these, we're gonna go ahead and give them a flippy flip like we're doing here. Now once we saute up our oxtails, I already sauteed our beef neck bones. And we're going to get those in. Now to this, we're going to go ahead and add our veg back in. And we just going to give that a little mix. Just get some of that veg at the bottom. You don't want all of it at the top. That's all, y'all. That's all. Now, what I'm using here is the juice from when I sous vide some beef. That's why I tell you guys, keep that juice. And then we're gonna add 2 cups of water. Now, you could just add beef stock, but that juice from that sous vide process, oh my goodness, it's packed with flavor, y'all. Packed. Now, you just gonna let this simmer for about 2 hours in that juice and that beef juice from our sous vide. Now I did change my machine over to simmer, and I put it on high simmer, and this is how we cook it right now, y'all. Now after 2 hours, we're gonna add a can of tomato sauce in. And then we're just gonna lightly mix that up, and we're gonna get our lid back on and let this cook for another hour on that high simmer, y'all. That high simmer. Now after those hours have passed, Look what we got here. Oh my goodness. Plating up this oxtail and these neck bones. Can't be mad about this plate, y'all. Can't be mad. Now with mine, I have me some buttery mashed potatoes. And then guess what, y'all? My bok choy, one of my plants while I was out of town, bolted, y'all. So, it messes it up. But I'm using the flowers from that bok choy. And look at that. Don't it give some beautiful color? And guess what? That flour on that bok choy tastes something like broccoli, y'all. Oh my goodness. It gave this a beautiful flavor, y'all. It really did. So let's go ahead and give this a taste. Got me some of that oxtail. Gonna grab me some tater. Dip it into some of that sauce. And yeah, y'all. Look at that bite right there. Look at that bite. Look at that bite. Oh yeah. So tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.